What is World Bank and what does it do? The Bretton Woods Conference in 1944 resulted in the establishment of the World Bank. The World Bank is an international financial institution established to alleviate poverty and promote sustainable development. This mammoth organization operates across borders, offering financial and technical assistance to developing countries. By funding projects that foster economic growth, infrastructure improvements, and social welfare, the World Bank strives to uplift marginalized communities and build resilient economies. With its vast expertise, resources, and unwavering commitment to progress, the World Bank continues to play a pivotal role in shaping a better future for millions around the world. However, it has faced criticism for several reasons. Some projects funded by the World Bank have had negative environmental and social impacts. Additionally, there have been instances where the World Bank's lending conditions have imposed stringent economic policies on borrowing countries, leading to social and economic challenges. Some also criticize the institution's governance structure, which gives disproportionate power to wealthier countries, potentially influencing decision-making in favor of their interests. Furthermore, there are concerns about the World Bank's effectiveness in achieving its poverty reduction goals, as poverty persists in many regions despite substantial financial support. Stay tuned for more videos on international organizations.